Hi everyone. Okay, welcome back to English Power Boost. තාම subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් subscribe කරගෙන යන්න subscribe பண்ணிக்கொண்டு போங்க. Right? Okay. Today I'm going to teach you nice three words. Right? ගොඩක් අය confuse වෙන වචන තුනක්. මෙච්චර පෙර confuse ආகிற மூன்று words. Though, although, even though. Right? Okay. We make like this sentence. අපිට මේ වගේ වාක්‍ය හදන්න පුළුවන් අපිට සියලු. Though it was raining, වහිමින් තිබුණා වුණත්, we played cricket. අපි සෙල්ලම් කරා. Okay. Though it was raining, we played cricket. Although it was raining, we played cricket. Even though it was raining, we played cricket. තුනේම තේරුම එකයි. மூன்றிலே ஒரே அர்த்தம் தான். மழை பெய்ஞ்சு கொண்டு இருந்தாலும் நாங்க கிரிக்கெட் விளையாண்டோம். වහිමින් තිබුණා වුවත් අපි ක්‍රිකට් සෙල්ලම් කරා. එතකොට though, although, even though තේරුම එසේ තිබියදීත් එහෙම තිබුණා එහෙම වුණත් කියන එක. right? එසේ තිබියදී அப்படியானாலும் right? though I was tired මට මහන්සි වුණත් I went to work මම වැඩට ගියා. right? though I was tired I went to work எனக்கு tired இருந்தாலும் நான் வேலைக்கு போனேன். right? okay. though I studied hard though I studied hard මම මහන්සි වෙලා ඉගෙන ගත්තත් I couldn't pass the exam මට විභාගයේ සමත් වෙන්න බැරි වුණා. I couldn't කියන්නේ බැරි වුණා. couldn't pass the exam விபாகி சமத் என்று வருவனா நான் ஹார்டா படிச்சாலும் எனக்கு எக்ஸாமை பாஸ் பண்ண முடியவில்லை. right? Can you understand? though I failed මම fail වුණත් I didn't give up මම අත්හැරියේ නෑ. okay. நான் fail ஆனாலும் விட்டு கொடுக்கல. though I failed I didn't give up. You can understand, I think. Okay, you can use it. Though it was late පරක්කු වුණත් we continued the meeting. අපි මීටිම කරගෙන ගියා. පරක්කු වුණත් අපි කරගෙන ගියා. ලේට් ආயினாலும் நாங்க செஞ்சு கொண்டு போனோம். though it was late we continued the meeting. நாங்க மீட்டிங் செஞ்சு கொண்டு போனோம். you can understand, guys. Very easy, right? though I was tired I went to work. tired இருந்தாலும் நான் வேலைக்கு போனேன். even though I was tired I went to work. okay. although I was tired I went to work. very easy. okay. ගොඩක් පටල ගන්න එපා. මිච්චම් කන්ෆියුස් ආയിකොල්ලයින්. though, even though, although මූඩ්ලි ஒரே மீனிங் தான். එකම තේරුම තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? එසේ තිබියදීත්. okay. அடுத்த example. though I didn't have money. though I didn't have money මංගා මුදල් තිබුණේ නැති උඩ. ඒ කියන්නේ මංගා මුදල් නැති වුණත්. right? past tense. though I didn't have money I went on the trip. මම trip එකට ගියා. right? though I didn't have money I went on the trip. මම trip එකට ගියා. right? okay. though you can use it, guys. though she is rich though she is rich though she is rich she lives a simple life. අය rich උනත් though she is rich අය පොසත් උනත් she lives a simple life. A simple life එකක් ගත කරන්නේ. right? ගොඩක් lazy. right? very easy, guys. though, although, even though එකම තේරුම ඔරේ meaning එසේ තිබියදී. right? okay. තව ඔයා වාක්‍ය ඔයාගේ on sentences පහලින් කමෙන්ට් කරගෙන යන්න. අපි චෙක් කරනවා. චෙක් කරලා ඔයාලට reply කරනවා. we will reply you. okay, guys. see you in a nice next video. okay. see you. bye bye.